Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy messy updo using just 3 ponytails. Divide off a section on the left by taking your finger from the side of the head to the middle of the neck, and then do the same on the right hand side. So you should have 3 sections of hair. Pop the middle section into a low ponytail with an elastic band. Then pop both side sections into a ponytail the same height as the first one. So you should have 3 ponytails all in a row. Next, I'm going to apply some texture powder all over the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull at the hair to loosen everything up a little bit. And starting with the middle ponytail, I'm going to do a rope braid, so split it in half, twist both halves to the left, and then cross the left strand over the right strand. And you just keep doing this all the way down to the end and secure it with an elastic band. Then repeat on the left hand ponytail, so split it in half, twist both sections to the left, and then cross the left strand over the right strand. Repeat all the way to the bottom of the hair. And then do the same steps on that last ponytail. I'm going to pop a couple of fingers through a strand of the elastic band and then pass that braid up to my fingers and just pull the ends through so you've got a little loop of hair. Then repeat the same steps on the other 2 braids. So you should have 3 loops altogether. And starting on the left hand side, I'm going to pop a few fingers through that loop, and then I'm going to grab that middle loop and pull it all the way through the hole. Then go over to the right hand side and pop your fingers through that hole. Grab that middle loop again and pull it all the way through. Hold the hair to the nape of the neck and then secure all the way around the outside with as many bobby pins as needed. Add some more of that texture spray over your bun and then gently pinch and pull every loop and twist of this hairstyle. The more you pull it, the better it will look. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.